Ano yung mga dakdak? Halo, daking.
The present.
May lucky dito. Halo, lucky.
Look, the butterfly.
Lucky. Ah, there's already, before there's no fish. Now there's a lot of fish already. We put a lot of fish. There. May mga isda.
It's that.
Mamasol ka rin eh.
They're dead,
Mamasol
Mama.
ka.
Go fishing. Why they're not moving?
Yan sila yung mga kuan. Fauna and El Encario. Mga wagtang ang birds. Ako na kayo naaman to yung mga bird na magsaba-saba dito. Ano sila? The birds. Nasaan na siya?
Mama,
What's
the
in
guy
there?
that just passed
Wala may...
is the one that was taking pictures and
It's
was
not
smiling at you.
smiling. You can go in here up, I guess. Ding, ding, ding. Wala. Ay, it's closed. So it's not... Hindi siya pwede. Hindi siya pwede. Mawagtang mga birds diri.
Push mo ko.
Nangayataps na siguro na siya ikuan. Nangayataps na siguro ang birds diri. There's no birds.
But no birds.
Ah, here, kala oh. Hello. Hi.
Look,
Ay, there's there.
chismoso.
My name is Kira.
Well, look
Huh?
at that bird. Doesn't have feathers. Almost.
In the other side. Mga wagtang. Before they have all the cages has birds. Ah, there's a hawk. Oh.
Hello. An owl, Mama. An owl. You saw the
Owl?
owl? There.
It's not, it's a hawk. Carla, uy.
Looks like an owl. He's like, what are you doing?
I'm taking picture. Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Cannot see it.
The other one, di makita nga usa. Ang usa kay white.
That one is an owl.
No, it's not an owl. It's a hawk, gani oh. Savannah hawk.
But
Gavilian.
you saw that one?
Loro, there's a loro in
You saw this one?
the white one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. He said hi already. Loro, this is loro, but there's no loro. In here, this one is loro.
No, this is the perico.
Oh, hello. Hi.
1 week.
Yeah, I narrate.
Just 1 week looking for a Kitela.
Hi.
Black.
You talk.
Black.
You saw the black one, Mama? The big one?
Yeah. Bira, bira. It's in the...
Which one in there and the other one? It's new. It's new. And let's look at snake.
Ah, Mira, you're so giant.
Eagles looking at you.
Hello.
Here's a águila pequeña.
You want-
Águila pequeña.
You want to go with in the house to play with Lucky, Maddie, and Lucy?
His name.
What is your name?
Fly is going to get you.
Okay.
Bella.
Let me get.
Hala, he wants to fly. Chow, chow.
I just go in there. What is he seeing? Let's go see another thing.
They have a gabi in here.
Here's the perito.
Hello, cuteness.
The red one and the green ones.
Hi.
And the black one! The black one!
Yeah, it's the black one is there.
My goodness.
Hello.
Look, this is the Lora Amazona Alinagra. Alinaranja. Oh, look, this
Aw.
one is very near, Mama.
Hi.
Mama.
That one the eye. What's that the eye? Very near. Hello. Hi.